Welcome everyone to the new Caveman video show. Today we are going to unbox not one iPhone XR, not two iPhone XR, but three iPhone XR. And before we start our beauty pageant, let us cue to our intro music. And let us introduce our first contestant, 10
Hello everyone, my name is Tanner White. I have been around for years. You can see me every year because the white is quintessential Apple. Look, everything Apple makes are white in color. See, the cable is white in color. The power plug is white in color. Everything is white in color. Please remember to vote for me. I am F1 white color. Goodbye.
Thank you, white color. Ladies and gentlemen, let us show our hands for project red color.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. My name is Project Red. As you can see, I am very red. Not candy red, not racing car red, but damn bloody red. Look at me, so bloody shiny. And remember, every vote for me, I will do a donation to the Global Fund to fight HIV. Thank you for your support. Remember to vote for me, Project Red.
And thank you, Project Red. And let us show our hands for color.
Hello everyone, I am F3, Coral color. I am the new chick on the block. I'm not exactly pink, I'm not exactly orange. And some angles I look a bit rose gold. You can say I look like salmon color. I'm the best to bring along to a tropical beach drinking a tropical cocktail. So remember boys to vote for me. I am Coral. Bye bye.
And thank you, Coral. And right now, let us invite all our contestants back on the stage. And thank you, contestants. And now we should proceed on to the bikini segment. And Now it is bikini dance-off between Carl and Ryan.
Where's Carl?
And next up, we have bikini dance-off between red and white. Last but not least, we have bikini standoff between red and Carl.
Carl.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was a great fight between our three sexy contestants.
Remember, boys, vote for me. I will help the world to fight HIV. Boys, vote for me. I am so classical, and I will match all your clothing. Vote for me. I am the sexy new color, and you may never see me again.
Ladies and gentlemen, will it be Carl or white or red? And the winner is Carl.
Thank you. World peace.
Oh no. No.